We are pleased to show you the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, cargo net, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.